How to open HSBC account online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can open the HSBC account online. You can simply head into your browser on your device and you can type HSBC open account. Once there, you'll be able to see HSBC UK, and below it you can see open a bank account online, apply for a UK account. You can tap on it there. Once you tap on it, it'll take you to this page here. Tap on accept all cookies and you can see banking in the UK and who can open a bank account in UK. Now you'll have to be 18 plus and you are happy for us to do a credit check against your name if you live in the UK, and you'll have to provide ID and proof of address, and other eligibility criteria may also apply, as you can see. Now if you scroll down below here further, you can apply for HSBC advanced account. You can apply for HSBC bank account. If you just want to open bank account, tap on it, and here now you can select your country or region and then go ahead and start the application and go through the prompts and process. Make sure to provide all the details necessary and credentials necessary and you'll be able to open an account. So this way you can open the HSBC bank account online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.